Hello everyone, a very warm welcome back. This is Sakshi here. Today I'm really excited to share with you all one of our traditional home recipes of Methi Thepla. Our families have been making these since years, and being a Guju myself, this is one of my favorite dishes as a snack or as a part of any meal. So the recipe is here. All the ingredients can be found in detail in the description box below, so please do check them out. The dough for the thepla, I've got here 1.5 cups, which is around 215 grams of wheat flour. Into this we'll add in 1 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric, red chili powder, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. We're going to lightly crush this with our hands and then add it in. We can use fresh methi or fenugreek as well, but this is the instant version. Into this we'll add in 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. You may even use white sugar and play with the amount of it. We'll also add in salt to taste. And then add in sesame seeds. I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon. So these were all the dry ingredients. We'll give them a good mix. Right, so this looks good. Now onto the wet ingredients. We'll add in 2 tablespoons of yogurt. This is an important ingredient, so please don't skip it. It will help us give a really nice soft texture for the theplas. And we'll add in around 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Right. We'll now get our hands in and give this a very good mix. I ended up with this crumbly texture, and now this can help us give an estimate of how much water is required. So I'm going to gently add in enough water. So I ended up using nearly 80 ml of water to knead the dough, and now the dough is ready. When we talk about the texture, it should be pretty soft and stretchable, somewhere between a paratha and a roti, but pretty moist. We'll now cover and let the dough rest. Okay, so our dough has rested well for about 20 minutes. We'll now add in a teaspoon of oil and knead this for about 2 minutes. This is an important step. So here's our dough. We'll divide this into 2 parts. So I've rolled this into a log and we'll divide this into equal portions. So all our portions are now ready. We'll take one and roll this into a nice flat circle. This looks good. We'll now tap this in some dry flour and roll it. So we'll place the rolling pin and then applying pressure on the 2 sides, we'll roll it. This will help the thepla to move by itself. So the key is to apply pressure on the 2 sides and not in the center. Dust in some more flour if required, but use as little as possible, otherwise the thepla might turn out dry a little faster. So this is rolled and ready. We'll now place it on a hot tawa, cook it for about 20 seconds on one side, flip over and smear some oil over it, flip it again and smear some oil on the other side. Around 30 seconds on each side should be enough, and now the thepla is ready to serve. I've spreaded some ghee on the top while serving for an added taste, and this is ready to be eaten. So I really hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, do hit the thumbs up button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications for the channel so that you never miss a new video. Until next time, this is Sakshi signing off. Bye!